Hi, Linda Anderson from Linda Lou Creates here, and I'm so happy you joined me. Today I want to share with you this cute and easy fun fold card that can actually double as a gift card holder as well. Let me show you. So the fun fold part comes lifting it up, and it reveals this cute little pocket where actually your greeting comes in here. I'm glad it's your birthday. So here's where you could actually then attach a gift card as well, or just slide it right on in here with the note card itself. So I'm going to show you how to make this. So let's get the products out that we need. First up, and I'm going to call this the card base. It is Bermuda Bay, and it is 8.5 by 5.5, our typical way of cutting out the card base. However, there are two score lines. Let me flip it around because I want to show you it is at 2.5 and at 6.5. So let's go ahead and fold these up. I went ahead and put some tear and tape down. I wanted to I'll get into that in a second, but let me go ahead, find my bone folder. There we go. And we're going to burnish these score lines. Now, the one that measures 2.5 is the bottom of the card, all right? That's the one where, yes, I did attach some tear and tape. This way we have a nice strong adhesive for when we slip our card inside. There's going to be a lot of pulling in and out of this little pocket, so I wanted to make sure that that strong adhesive was there. Well, before I keep going with that, let me just show you the other products we're going to need here. I've got my little card for the inside. This piece of white, Whisper White, measures 4.5 by 3 3/4. Now you're noticing this adorable little stamp set that I'm using, and let me show that one to you. It is actually called Bonanza Buddies. The second I saw this one in the catalog, I knew I had to have it. I don't have any young kids, but I'll tell you what, I would love to get a card or something created using this, so I knew I had to have it. So you'll see this adorable little koala with his party hat on. It comes from that stamp set. Okay, then we also are going to need, I have a piece of Pool Party, and this measures 5 1/4 by 2 1/4, and you'll see that it is using the Coastal Weave embossing folder. That too is in the mini catalog that's out right now. So that part will go on the front, and I have a piece of the Birthday Bonanza Designer Series paper. I had to go with the koalas because they're just so stinking cute, and this piece measures again 5 1/4 across, but this time 1 3/4 wide. So let's go ahead and attach these two pieces. These are what's going to be on the front. I am going to grab my liquid glue. And that is going to go right here on this 2.5, where we scored it at 2.5. So the bottom, remember what I said about that being the part of the pocket. So that will fit right in there. Now the top portion then that folds down to the front of the card is where we're going to put that Designer Series paper. So let me also get my glue out. So I thought it just looked really fun with it, both the Designer Series paper and the cardstock down here, that both of them I ran through with that same embossing folder, that Coastal Weave. Okay, so there's the front of our card. Now to make the pocket, I did, like I said, put in some of the tear and tape. So let's go ahead and get that paper removed. Now, because we've already burnished this fold, it's as simple as just folding and pressing. Okay, I went ahead and I had stamped already my inside card. This is that white that measures 4.5 by 3 3/4. So let's just slip that one right on in. trying to do it without sliding my card around so I can keep it. There we go. All right, for the front, we do need to do a little decorating on that. So I die cut out a piece of white, Whisper White with one and a piece of terracotta tile. These are both using the layering circles dies. All right, so I'm going to pull in a couple stamps from that stamp set, that Bonanza Buddies, and I'm going to start first with a happy birthday. Okay, and this is using Bermuda Bay ink. All right, so let's go ahead and stamp that off to the side and take it right along with me, huh? Let's put that. Next, using the Memento Tuxedo Black, I'm going to use these great strings for the balloons. So let me go ahead and slip those right in as well. Okay, it's not looking like much right now, but hang on, hang on. We're going to do some more here because we need to get some balloons on this. So this fun circle stamp is for the balloons. So 3 colors that I picked. I have first Coastal Cabana. What I'm going to do for this is ink it up. I think it would be too dark if I went straight to my balloons or to the cardstock with that. So I'm going to stamp it off, all right, to lighten it up. And that's going to be my first balloon right there. Okay, now make sure that you clean off your stamp, which I did real quick there. My next balloon, I'm going to use the Mango Melody. Again, stamp it off and come right in, and there we go. All right, clean off your stamp one more time. Let me hurry up and shut this. My last one is going to be Terracotta Tile. Terracotta Tile is definitely a dark ink color. So this one for sure I knew I wanted to stamp off. And let's get it right here. And there are my 3 balloons. Love them. I love the, I don't know if sheerness is the word I want, but the fact that we did stamp off, that it did make for, I like the look so much better. So just a little bit of glue and onto my terracotta tile scallop layer. All right, let me bring the card back in. Now, I know I'm going to put this here in the middle. I am going to put dimensionals on it, but I do have to be careful to only put dimensionals on the upper half of my circle. Otherwise, when I go to close it up, I'm going to close my card shut. So let me go ahead. Actually, am a lover of dimensionals, so don't be surprised if you see a whole bunch going on. So here we go. Let me just make sure that I have it, don't have any up too high, and I don't think I will. Okay, so let's go ahead. Get the paper off of this. This is always the most difficult part sometimes of the whole card making process. All right, now let me put this here. I'm going to just gently set it down so I can look. Yep, there's no dimensionals popping through. Now I can press it down and I have it that it'll still be able to open. One more thing I wanted to do is I have the beautiful ruched ribbon in Daffodil Delight. This is part of that Birthday Bonanza suite where the paper, the stamp set all come in. And here is the ribbon, and I'm just going to attach that with a glue dot. There we go. A cute, cute fun fold card that, like I said, could actually go as a gift card holder as well. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I always love seeing when I get new subscribers. I don't want you to miss out on any new videos that I come out with. I have a blog. It's lindaloucreates.com. If you want to visit there, you can even sign up for my newsletter while you're there. So thanks again for joining me, and I hope you get a chance to create today. Bye now.